Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can contact the customer service in the Trusted Housesitters application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the person button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then just scroll down and click on the help and support button. And as you can see, there are two ways to get help from the help center. So you can just visit the help center itself, or you can again just talk to them through this mobile phone. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.